In this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can delete your Instagram account in just 8 steps. So hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech and Tips and let's get started with this tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app and log in into your account. Now go to the profile option and then click on these three lines. Go to settings and privacy. Then go to account center. Here you can see various options. You have to click on personal details. Then click on account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Select the account you want to delete. Now here you have two options, either you can deactivate your account or you can permanently delete your account. Select any one of the option and press continue. Now you need to enter your password and then click continue. Once you enter your password, your account will be disabled, will be kept on hold for next 28 days. You can recover the account in the next 28 days. After 28 days, the account will be permanently get deleted. So this is how you can delete your Instagram account.